that. Ooh. So cute. What's up guys, my name is Shaina. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be playing with all of the new Anastasia Beverly Hills 2019 spring launches, including the loose highlighters, their new Dewy setting spray, and the Riviera palette. I've actually done a whole more like in-depth video on the Riviera palette. If you want to watch that, I will put it in one of these annotations here. I did a really cool look in there and I did some swatches and I gave you like a lot more of my thoughts on the palette. Today I'm just going to kind of play in the palette a little more just because there's so many other pretty colors that I have not used yet. I just want to play a little bit. So I'm going to do another look with that. But I'm going to focus more on these guys here. So this is the Dewy set here. So this is a dewy finish makeup setting spray. I believe that this is more in the realm of like a MAC Fix Plus than it is like an Urban Decay all-nighter, if that makes sense. It's not going to necessarily, you know, prolong the wear of your makeup. It's more to just like melt all the powders on your face together and just give you like a nice fresh dewy finish, which I'm very excited about this because I live for a nice fresh dewy finish. I love a dewy setting spray. So I'm very excited, and the bottle is literally so fucking cute. And then we also have this here, which how beautiful is this box? So these are the loose highlighters, which I'm very excited to try out as well. I was not expecting loose highlighters from Anastasia, but here they are. The packaging is also so gorgeous, so sparkly, and they come in 3 colors. So this is the Snowflake, this is So Hollywood, which is one of my favorite highlighters of all time in the pressed form, so I'm very excited to try the loose form of it. And then Sweet Aura, which is more of like a rose gold. So we're gonna be playing with all of these things today, but I'm going to do my eyes first, so let's jump into it. Okay, so since the last look I did with this palette was kind of crazy and bright and colorful, I want to do something a little more toned down but still using these like beautiful shimmer colors that we have in here. And I've been really dying to try out this teal shimmer here. I keep setting myself up for failure by keep talking about this teal shade that I don't know how to pronounce, but I believe it is called Seychelles. If I had to guess, that's what I would say it's called. But it's beautiful. I love a good teal moment, so I'm going to definitely have that as the focus of the look. So I'm going to start off just building the crease, and I think I want to use some of these more like toned down transition shades and then that like warm brown in the crease, and then just have that teal really pop on the lid. So I'm going to start off with Coastline, which is just this like peachy transition shade over here kind of, and I love the combination of like peach and pink with blue and teal, so I'm gonna kind of build off of that for the whole face. So I'm just taking that on a Morphe M506 and I'm just shading in my crease. Nothing crazy. I have this like scar on my eyelid, like right under my brow over here, and I have no idea what it's from. It looks like it would be from like a bad wax job or something, but I've literally gotten my brows waxed once in my life, and then I was like, no, I need to take this into my own hands. I don't know where it came from, but it's so annoying because it's so hard to blend eyeshadow over and like not have a weird line. Okay, now I'm just taking Palm on an M507, which is just like a more tapered blending brush, and I'm just going to start putting that in my crease to kind of define it a little bit more. Alright, I'm going to go back with that brush I was using before and a little bit more of Coastline and just blend out that brown a little bit. And in putting this brown on, I see that it actually has some like rosy purple undertones. Okay, so I'm deepening up this outer corner a little bit more with that Palm shade. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pack that teal shade all over my lid. Now I'm actually going to take just a little bit of that Yacht shimmer, which is like the gold bronzy shimmer, and I'm just going to put a little bit of that right on my inner corner, just to kind of like brighten it up a little bit, and to kind of like tie the blue back in with the crease. Okay, I'm definitely getting a lot better color payoff with my finger than I was with that packing brush. And I'm just going to quickly swipe away any fallout I had. Alright, now I'm going to go back with my M506 and Coastline, which is the first shade we were using, and start going on my lower lash line with this. Alright, now I'm going to deepen up the lower lash line just a little bit with Palm. And I'm putting this closer to my actual lash line. And I'm just going to put a little bit of that teal color on the inner part of my lower lash line as well, just to kind of tie it all together. I'm going to add a little coat of mascara. This is the Benefit Roller Lash. This is my favorite mascara in the whole world. Okay, I'm going to quickly add a little bit of black pencil to my waterline and tightline. Alright, now I'm just going to pop on these lashes here. These are from Icona Lashes in the style About Last Night. Alright, after a long ass battle with my eyelashes, they finally decided to actually stick to my eyeballs. So now I'm going to add a little bit of black eyeliner just right on the inner corner to blend them in a little bit more. Okay, now I'm just going to add a little bit of mascara to my bottom lashes as well. Alright, now that the eyes are done, I'm going to quickly just pop on some blush. I'm going to be using this Becca blush. This is in the shade Flower Child, and it's just a really nice like peachy blush with a little bit of a sheen to it. Alright, now let's move on to the exciting part of this video, the loose highlighters. So I'm going to swatch them all for you guys. Like, look how sparkly these lids are. Alright, so there is just a little sifter on the top. I'm just going to dump some out into the lid. Okay, so I'm going to swatch Snowflake right here. Ooh. Okay. Under that one, I'm going to put So Hollywood. And then this last one is Sunset Aura. So I have a little bit of So Hollywood in here. I'm just going to add a little bit of Snowflake in. And I'm just taking their A23 highlighter brush. And here we go. Moment of truth. Wow. That is absolutely gorgeous. I'm just rubbing over the edges with my little powder brush, just so it's not too harsh. But oh my god, you guys, that is absolutely stunning. That was like 95% So Hollywood what I just put on. So I'm gonna add a little bit of Snowflake over the top to see if that like amplifies it a lot. Oh my god. Alright, so I'm going to take a little bit of the So Hollywood one, and I'm just packing that on my inner corner here. Throw a little bit on my brow bone as well. Just bathe in it, you know? And I'm going to put a little bit of Snowflake on top there as well. These are so pretty, but I am feeling a little dry and powdery. I purposely put more powder on my face than I normally do, just so I can test out the Dewy set a little bit better. So let's give it a spritz. Ooh. Okay, first of all, this shit smells delicious. I believe the scent is supposed to be vanilla coconut. It's great. I love it. Wow. It smells so good. I feel like I do definitely see and feel a little bit of a difference after that spray. You know, it feels like I just put a nice hydrating spray on. It took away a little bit of my powderiness. It blended everything nice together. So yeah, I'm a fan. I'm definitely gonna use that bottle up. I love a nice dewy mist. Alright, so I just went ahead and threw on a lip. I love the way my face is glowing right now, you guys. Like, I have never felt so glowy. I feel like an Instagram model right now with this. Look at that. Ooh. So cute. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe down below. It really means a lot to me. Thank you so much again for taking the time to watch this, and until next time, bye!